Namaste DP fam and welcome back to the channel. First of all, a big thank you to all my lovely viewers for your constant love and support. It truly means the world to me. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. I'm so glad to have you here. So today's video is all about my washing area transformation. This little project had been sitting on my cleaning list for the longest time, and finally I decide it's time to take action and give it a much needed makeover. I started off by cleaning out all the unnecessary items, especially a few kitchen things that had somehow taken up permanent residence on top of the washing machine. My husband was a big help here. He pitched in to clean the floor, and honestly, that made a huge difference right away. The next day in the evening, I got back to work, did some dusting around the window panes, and then took down the old bamboo shade that had been hanging there forever. And then came a big change. I added these beautiful white sheer curtains. They instantly transformed the space and gave it such a light, airy look. I was already starting to love it. Next up, a proper deep cleaning of the washing machine. I used a disinfectant and a cleaning agent, and trust me, it was much needed. I was already feeling overwhelmed, but I powered through, and the amount of dirt we found. Oh my. After that, I got to work on prepping a tabletop for the machine. We found an old wooden piece lying around and decided to give it a new life. Used some leftover wallpaper to give it a half covered, natural look, and just like that, our washing machine got a neat little countertop. I refilled the detergent jars, placed them nicely in a tray, and added a cute little wooden basket for holding all the cloth clips. On the other side, where we have our shoe rack, I gave the top a little refresh too. Laid down a new cover from Meesho and added some lovely succulents I recently picked up from a nearby nursery. And here is a little DIY touch. I got these photo frames from IKEA, printed out some pretty leaf prints, and used them to add a pop of greenery over the shoe rack. Simple, but it really brought the space to life. And these are color printouts, so 3 of them. This has come little bit hazy, but yeah, still we can just use them. So yeah, let us put in these frames. You need to peel out this plastic covers. So these are not basically made of glass. We'll just peel it off. So I'll just put this one first. It's perfect. I'll also keep this so that it covers up the edges as well. And our frame is ready. So you can make a DIY like this. So yeah, frame was for, let me see, I don't think I got it for 209. It was much less than this. And printout is 20 rupees. So we got a whole new photo frame here. And that's it, the transformation is complete, and I couldn't be happier with how everything turned out. It feels fresh, clean, and so much more organized. So, what do you think of the makeover? I'm super excited with how it turned out, but I would love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. Any suggestions or maybe something you would do differently? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on future makeovers and projects. Thank you again for your patience while I was away and for all your support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one super soon. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and bye bye.